Good evening, students. Today we will start our class with the process of selection. Earlier in our earlier class, we studied about recruitment and the sources of recruitment, which were the internal and the external sources of recruitment, and both the sources of recruitment had its own merits and demerits. The next step after recruitment is the selection process. Recruitment ami ki korislo. What did we do in the process of recruitment? Can you recall? Recruitment ami ki korislo. We tried to attract the applicants, right? And we tried to gather the total applicants who will be applying for the job. And in the selection process, what we do is we will select the competent person from among all those persons who had applied for that particular job, right? And selection is a very important process because in selection, what we do, so many people have applied for that particular post, but in selection, we select only that number of candidates for which we have the vacancy, right? At a post, tumalke sabason kedin man agote ADRE exam hoisle, post kiman ase? Post to kom ase, kintu postor tulonat, the examinees who have given the examination is so large, right? So selection or khetrotu ki hoy, ami jeta select koru, we select only a particular number of students. He karone selection process to kami ki boli ko, je it is a negative process. Recruitment is a positive process and selection is a negative process. Because in selection, we actually sort out the suitable candidates who are actually suitable for that particular post, right? Aru selection process to ami bahut carefully koribo lage, because if we select the wrong person or the wrong candidate, then it will be a very costly thing for the industry or the company, right? So selection korute bahut carefully ami select koribo lage. So there are various steps which are involved in the selection process. So let us look at it. The first is the application blank. Sadharonte jetia eta post eta ulai ki kore, the organization, it asks the candidates to fill up a blank application, right? Ekhon blank form ekhon die jot ki thake blank form khonot ki fill up koru, ami personal history ba personal data to entry koru, tar pisot amar educational background to bhorti koru, then past qualifications ba past work experience, then we enter the hobbies or the interest, right? Ekhini bostu ami apply koru, right? So application blank ot ami ki koru, it is actually a application form where we apply in the company, which is given by the company, and where we enter our personal data, personal history, ami apply, enter koru, tapisot amar educational qualifications bur ami diu, hoy ne? Come. And then the second step is the preliminary interview. Preliminary interview ki koru, we reject the unsuitable candidates for the post. Karan sobore jodi ami interview lobo loga hoy final stage loge, it becomes a very tedious process, right? So in the second step, which is the preliminary interview, we actually sort out the candidates who will be going through the next further steps, right? So preliminary interview ki hetu ami koru. After that, we go for the employment test. Employment test bur ki hoy, jibur written test ami diu. There are certain aptitude tests, psychological tests kisuman thake. Tapisot quantitative based to hobo pare, hoy ne? So these are the employment tests. Jibur khadaronte written examinations bur jibur diu ami. So these are the employment tests. Employment test burot tuma amar ki hoy candidates buror ami hiyotor skills khini testing koru. Okay, we test the required skills for that particular job. Exam paper bur dekha nohoy je kisuman ki hoy, kisuman aptitude based questions thake, kisuman case studies solve koribo dia thake, beleg bibhinno dhoroner question pattern bur beleg exams or karone beleg hoy, because it tries to check the what? Check the skills of the candidates. Hekhini holge employment test. Employment test to pass korar pisot, the next step is the final interview. Final interview ki kore, jikhini candidates se employment test kini pass korile, they will go through the next step, which is the final interview. In the final interview, there will be an interview process where the selected candidates will be going through a face-to-face interview with the interviewer. Hetu kyo lua hoy? Hetu kyo lua hoy? Face-to-face written examination to clear kora hol. Tar uporiu tumar ako eta interview kyo pate? Final interview. Because while the interview and the interviewee, they are facing front to each other, while they are sitting together, they can discuss about their queries, right? The interviewee, he can ask any kind of questions that he has in his mind regarding the job, regarding the nature of the job. Ba kenikwa dhoroner salary hobo, sadharonte salary kotha nuhude, kintu the terms of the employment, mane kiman dinor karone probation period kenikwa hobo, ba any kind of such kind of doubts that he has in his mind. Ba salary structure tu kothao hudibo pare, sadharonte nuhude, because it depends on the post, but still you can ask if you have something in your mind. Aru ki hoy, the person who is taking the interview, he can what? He can judge the candidate better, right? After the final interview, the next step is the final selection and placement. Here, the candidate who will be selected, he will be given a what? He will be given his selection letter, job offer letter, letter khan dibo, where the terms and conditions of his employment will be there, his salary structure, his probation period, but training period, kiman hobo, all these things will be mentioned. Okay? Leave kiman pabo, all these things will be there, right? Oh, sorry. Bhul kolu. Final interview pisot background investigation thakibo. Background investigation is actually checking his background, like whether kiba criminal mane record ase niki ba agor job tur pra kiba karonot tak fire kora hoise niki, all these things will be checked. Aru he bostu tu kor pra swa hoy jetia employee ejone candidate ejone jetia tumar job etar karone apply kore tetia hole jikon CV ba tumar biodata jikonot die tat sadharonte eta kolomot last tolor fine heri references buli die he jikijon manuhor references dia hoy teulukok phone kore industry manhue ba june a exam to conduct koribo, and they will check the background of the candidate from this references jar mane candidate jone nije jar naam diye. So references play a very important role in the selection process, right? Background investigation kore. Next step is the medical examination. Background check kora pisot medical examination kora hoy jate manujonor kiba problem ase niki, medically kiba problem ase niki hetu sai, not simply mane medical examination sadharonte ki sai kiba contagious disease ase niki, kiba AIDS ase niki, kan if they are having some kind of contagious diseases, then it might be contaminated to other persons also, right? So through medical examination the candidate's fitness is checked, right? Aru blood groups hua hoy jate in case of any emergency or in further process it might be required, he karone ebur sob data collect kora hoy. In the next step we come to the final step, which is the selection process, and in the final step the job offer letter is actually given to the candidate and he is placed in the job, right? Buji paisa? What are the steps? First is the application blank. Jot the candidate is required to fill a blank application where his personal history, educational background, his qualifications, his past experiences, skills, any industrial training that he has undergone, all these things will be mentioned. After that, the second step is the preliminary interview, where a basic interview is conducted where the suitability of the candidate is checked. Next comes the employment test, where the candidates are required to undergo through various written examinations, in which they সাধাৰণতে written examination হয়, কিন্তু written নহয়, বেলেগ ধৰণৰো হ'ব পাৰে, যেনেকৈ তেওঁলোকক কিছুমান কেছ ষ্টাডি সলভ কৰিবলৈ দিয়াও হ'ব পাৰে, ৰিয়েল লাইফ এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ কিছুমান, ৰিয়েল লাইফ প্ৰেক্টিকেল কিছুমান চিনেৰিঅ' কিছুমান প্ৰেজেণ্ট কৰিব দিয়া হ'ব পাৰে, য'ত তেওঁলোকে they are required to solve that particular problem. Henekwa hobo pare. So these are the various kinds of employment tests. Then comes the final interview, where the candidates are brought in front of the interviewer, who will check their suitability for the job and see whether they can handle the post or not, right? Tar pisot background investigation kora hoy. After that, the medical examination, and then only they are given the final job offer letter, right? Buji paisa ekhini? Next comes a very important topic, which is training and development. So what is the meaning of training? Training bulle ami ki buzu? What is training? Kwa? একদম ইজি টাৰ্মছ হয়, যিবোৰ শব্দ তোমালোকে সৰুৰ পৰা শুনি আহিছা। পাৰফেক্ট বনাবলৈ কাৰণে সেইটোৱে, the training is the process in which we try to improve the skills of the employees so that the work can be done more efficiently, right? হয় নে? হেতুৱে কৰো আমি। ট্ৰেইনিং কৰিলে কি বেনিফিটস থাকে আমাৰ? What are the benefits of training? ট্ৰেইনিং কৰিলে আমাৰ কিয় কৰো? আমি ট্ৰেইনিং কিয় দিও এমপ্লয়িজ বুৰক? আমি তো অলৰেডি সিলেকশন কৰোতে আমি ইহঁতৰ সব চেক কৰিয়ে লৈছো, তথাপিও আমি ট্ৰেইনিং কিয় দিও? আমি তো জবটোৰ কাৰণে যেতিয়া এটা ক্যান্ডিডেটক আমি সিলেক্ট কৰো, আমি তো সব চাই মেলিয়ে সিলেক্ট কৰিছো, but why do we give them training? Training kyo diyo? Amito তেওঁৰ skills খিনিহে চাইছো, but did we check whether he can work on that machinery? Machines burar logot whether he is already acquainted or not. Hekhini aru the workers, they need to undergo training because there is always a risk of some accidents while in the workplace. Hoine workers burar dekhiba suddenly kisuman injury ba accidents hobo pare if they do not take the precautionary measures or if they do not follow the specific guidelines, right? Karan machinery bur bahut ki hoy complex hoy, hoine. So training is required so that we can upgrade the skills of the workers and give them specific guidelines, or so that they can understand the actual working of the what? Machinery, so that their safety is ensured, so that hiote eku injury no hoy and their health is what? And their health is protected, right? Nohole ki hobo? Employees bur injury hoy gole loss to the company, loss to the workers also, right? Aru ki hoy, if when we give training to the workers, then the productivity is increased. The losses due to mishandling the equipments is reduced greatly, right? Hoine aru tumar ki hoy ki jetia ejon employee ami training diu, then he feels motivated, he feels good, he feels a sense of belongingness to the organization, and that is required for the personal growth of the workers. Hoine and training is also required because if we do not give training to the workers, then at one point of time they will not learn the newer skills that are required for the newer machinery or any new developments in the market. Hoine obsolescence hoy jabo tumi eta kam khodai kori asa kintu notun jikhini pass out students kini eto ete aru besi jane, hoine. We can always learn from the newer generations, right? Because ami jiman kini hikislu amatke jikhini notun aji porha khona lorasli hioti amatke obviously besi jane, because things are getting what? More advanced, right? So if we do not upgrade our workers, then at one point of time their skills will become obsolete, outdated hoy jabo. The meaning of obsolescence is outdated, right? So everyone needs to upgrade themselves. So ekhini buzila. And what are the different kinds of skills that are given to the workers? Those are operative skills. Operative skills mane kaam tu koribole karone jikhini skills lage. Then interpersonal skills are those skills that are required to maintain good relations between the workers and the workers and the workers and the employers. And aru eta skills kenuka hoy? Decision making skills. Ei tinta dhoroner skills of training dia hobo pare, right? Buji paisa? If you have any confusions, you can ask me. Next, let us look at the methods of training. Methods of training mane in what ways we can give the training to the workers or the employees. The first category is on the job. On the job mane jobot thaki pale. Jobot কাম কৰোতে কৰোতে কি শিকিছে, those methods are the on the job training, and off the job training are the training that are given to the workers not at the workplace but at some other place. Like yet on the job training mane, suppose today I am taking a class on, suppose cost accounting or moi kiba eta class loisu tumalkor. So I am giving you the theoretical what? Theoretical knowledge, right? But that you will be applying on the applying when you are actually getting a job, right? So that will be what kind of training? On the job hobo na off the job? Aji moi tumalko kiba eta knowledge disu managementor, kali tumi kiba eta company manager hola. So what kind of training it will be? On the job or off the job? Off the job, because it is not taking place at the workplace. On the job kenuka hobo pare? Huh? Internship. Internship on the job. Hoy, internship hobo pare on the job. Then, aru ki hobo pare? Jobot thaki ki? Coaching can be an example of your what? On the job where a coach, he will be coach or a supervisor, he will be giving practical explanation of all the work on that particular job, right? Aru ki thakibo pare? On the job methods ki ase? Apprenticeship training. Apprenticeship training is the training that a person undergoes while he is in a undergoing the training in a industry. Industry jodi training loy tetia hole hetuk apprenticeship training boli koy, right? Yate ase page number 193. So on the job training or kisuman methods dia ase job rotation. Job rotation is what? A person on a job, if he is given another job which is of a similar nature. Suppose a person is working as a manager of one department. Finance department or ase, kali he same manager janak production department diya hoise. Then that will be a job rotation. All of come to similar hoy, right? Next is vestibule training. Vestibule training ki hoy, it is a training where the employees will learn their jobs in the equipment they will be using, but not on the actual workplace, but in some other place. Like, kisuman industry training to nidi pale, nizor eketa industry belegeta branchot jodi dia hoy, then that will be an example of your vestibule training. Right? Today, suppose a group of employees, they will be working on in an industry which is manufacturing garments, kapur bonai, okay? Kintu hey garment manufacturing industry to kam mane training nidi belegeta garment manufacturing industry te training di pale ana hoise, then that will be an example of your vestibule training. Eketa equipment tote kam koribo, but hetu industry nai dia beleg similar eta industry training to lipale loe hise, then that will be an example of your vestibule training. Buzi paisa? Mane vestibule training is the training where the employees will be working on that same equipment. Eketa equipment tote kam koribo, but not in that particular workplace, but in some other workplace. Beleg eta thait hiki ahise. Okay, that is the example of your vestibule training. Next is self-improvement techniques, ba self-improvement programs. Jot nije nijoke evaluate kore, right? So these are the some of the examples of on-the-job training. Aru? Next one, off-the-job training. Off-the-job mane at some other place rather than the workplace, right? Off-the-job training or examples ki ase swa? Lectures and classroom instructions, conference method, group discussions, role playing, case study, and T group training. Role playing to buzi paisa, role play to ki hoy? Role play? In one company, a person, he is asked to act as the manager. If his post is vacant, then that will be the example of a role playing, right? Mane, suppose tomorrow president of the company is, the position of the this one, president is, no, just give me 2 minutes. Sorry, I said it wrong. In role playing, what happens? It is an off-the-job training, right? In role playing, the person or the candidate, he is asked to prepare himself in the job role of some other person who is working on that particular position, right? Case studies, in case study method, what happens is that the employees, they are given certain real life problems to solve, right? Suppose enekwa eta situation arise hole, how will you solve that problem? So these are the examples of on the job training. A T group training is the training where people are made sensitive to each other's feelings. It is actually a training method where different employees will sit together and they are having an open group discussion where you are free to criticize the ideas or the opinions of others. In that way, one can improve oneself, right? At a team hisabe sobe ijon hijonar opinion bur share kore and they try to criticize as well as take the ideas from each others, right? That is known as your T group training or the sensitivity training. Buzi paisa monot thakibo? So let us look at the merits and demerits of this kind of training. On the job training hole ki hoy, merits bur ki hoy, the person he learns on the actual environment. So he will be able to grasp the things better. He will be able to know how to deal with the job, right? And in case of on the job training, we see that the training is imparted by the supervisor or the superior. So additional cost is not there, right? But there are some demerits of on the job training. Demerits ki hoy ki tumar supervisor will teach according to his own style, but every employee has his own learning speed or he has his own way of taking the things, right? So tumar supervisor and nizor speed and nizor convenience mote hikabo, right? But the employee are all different. One employee is not the same with the other. So employees might not be able to grasp whatever the supervisor is teaching, or he might not be able to take whatever the supervisor is teaching him. Buzi paisa kotha to? Next, supervisor to ebare buzabo, the supervisor will be teaching only once or twice. After that, the employees will be given to handle the things on his own. In that case, if the employee is not able to grasp whatever the supervisor has instructed, then in case of that, he will mishandle the equipments and it will be a loss to the company. Supervisor ebare training dibo aru sobore to way of learning, way of grasping the things is different. Kisuman slow learner thake, kisumane potokke buze. Hoy ne? To hetu eta demerit hoy. Buzisa? Next, let us come to off-the-job trainings, merits and demerits. Off-the-job training or merits ki hoy, je here the workers or the employees, they can learn at their own pace because there is no time bound. Time bound nohoy bostutu. At a time, homoy mote je ekdom mane potapot job to complete koribo lagibo tenekwa to nohoy. So the workers, they can learn at their own pace. There is no no hard and fast rule to complete it immediately, right? Second, since the since the workplace is not the actual workplace, so the workers, they can express their frustrations if they are not happy with the training. Jitu actual jobot koribo nware, hoy ne? Supervisor jodi kiba ta kaam diye actual workplace je ajir bhitorot imanta 50 ta tumar kiba objects banabo lage, kintu hetu tumar training or somoyt nobonalo to eku iman hard and fast rule noy, kintu actual workplace jodi kiba supervisor kiba ta kaam dise etu to koriboi lagibo, so etu time bound hoi jay, hoy ne? So in that case, jodi employee jone koribo nware, yato tumar koriboi lagibo bisarok ba nibisarok. But in the case of training, even if he doesn't complete the job, there is no problem. And here tumar workplace or tumar frustrated holo to me, you cannot express your express your anger, হয় নাই কিন্তু তোমাৰ ট্ৰেইনিঙৰ সময়ত তোমাৰ খং উঠিলেও তোমাৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ যিবোৰে একেটা ট্ৰেইনিং কৰি আছে তেওঁলোকৰ আগত এটলিষ্ট শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব পাৰিবা যে ৰাতিপুৱা পৰা গধূলিলৈকে আমাৰ ট্ৰেইনিং কৰাই আছে বাট ডেট কেনট বি ইন দ্য কেছ অফ ইয়'ৰ অন দ্য জব ট্ৰেইনিং মেথড হয়নে মই যদি ৰাতিপুৱা পৰা গধূলিলৈকে ক্লাছ কৰাওঁ বুলি কওঁ whether you want to do or you don't want to do you cannot express your frustrations in front of me hoine next is your it helps the employees to network and perhaps drum up business because in a training jetia tumar training to bahirot hoy tetia hole beleg organizationer pa bahut manu ahe no it is not that only from your organization the employees are undergoing training tetia ki hoy tumalke beleg organizationer pra jibur manu aise hihotor logot kotha botra patile hihotor logot eta network form kora hoy you can learn from them right so that is the meaning of your forming a network and drumming up business so it helps you to form some informal groups next is the demerits in case of your off-the-job training, there are certain demerits, which are when you have to give training at some other place, then there is a cost involved, right? And some other experts will be giving the training. So experts bure to free no kore, you need to pay them, right? So it becomes costly for the organization. And every individual has different learning speeds. So that is a demerit of your off-the-job training. Bujisa? Next, let us come to the topic of placement, orientation, and induction. So placement bulile ami ki buzu? The placement is actually determining the job in which the employee will be placed. Jitu job koribo, he job tur gutei khini bostu determine koratuk placement buli koa hoy. And there are two terms which are often confused, orientation or induction. I mean, ekdam most commonly used terms and they are like, they sound similar. Orientation program ase, induction program ase. So what is orientation and induction? Which comes first? Induction agot ahe na orientation agot ahe? Ami je hunul je loa caliburor college at induction program ase, orientation program. Ajikali khub commonly used terms hoy na. Notun jetia semester eta join kore, seniors burar logot introduce kori diye. So what is it? It is orientation or induction? Induction, yes. So induction is actually the process of introducing the employees to the work environment and the other employees. Manujanok just familiar kori diu ami work environment or logot. Ba the keneke mane environment to manujanok comfortable bonam ami. That is the process of your induction. But orientation is the process of what? Making him familiar with the job roles or the responsibilities that he has to undergo. He must be made familiar with the responsibilities, with his roles. He must be familiar with all these things. He must know what he has to do, right? So, tar job related jikhini kamor logot familiar kora hoy, that is the orientation. And induction is just making him familiar with the workplace and the colleagues. Induction is an informal process, but orientation is a formal process. Induction ami ki koru okol tomar introduce korim. Induction can happen in only a single day. It is a short process. Just manujanok informally tomar soboke logot introduce kori diba, rules and regulations bur thulmul ke bujai dila hoy gol. But orientation is actually making him understand how he has to behave in his job role, how he has to work in a team. He keneke dhorone behave koribo lagibo, ki responsibilities lobo lagibo, tar kiman khini authority thakibo, all these things, right? Bujisa? So placement, orientation and induction. Next, let us come to the topic of leading. Leading is the last function of your management. Leading at ki kora hoy? Manager jone ki kore? Lead kore. Kak lead kore? Employees. Lead kore mane ki? Guide kore, yes, guide kore. The process of leading is a very important managerial function where the manager guides the subordinates. He tries to influence the behavior of his subordinates so that the group goals or the objectives of the organizations are fulfilled, so that the productivity of the subordinates is increased. He must try to motivate the workers, right? So that is the process of leading. Leading involves influencing others, guiding them, motivating them, and also helping them to work together in groups. Groupot keneke kaam koribole. Not every people know how to work in group. Kisuman manue okole bahut dhuniake kaam koribo pare, kintu groupot kaam koribo najane. So hebur bostu ejon manager sabo lage and he needs to behave like a leader, right? So we have come to the end of this chapter. So a chapter to ki pohilu? What was this chapter dealing about? A chapter to ki asile? This chapter dealt with what? Functions of management, which were? Ki kwa? Planning, organizing, staffing, selection, and leading, right? Next chapter, let's go to the next chapter. Which is communication. Communication, coordination, monitoring, and controlling. After completion of this chapter, I'll come to the second chapter, okay? So what is communication? Communicate kora, communicate kori dia boli hunu no. So communication mane ki? Communicate hobdo tu eta Latin hobdor pra ahise. The word communication, in simple terms, it means sharing of your ideas or your thoughts with another person such that the ideas or the thoughts that is shared is meaningful, and the other person or the other group, he should be able to grasp what you are telling. Jitu ejon person ne ijon personok kobo bisarise hetu teo hothik mote bujibo lagibo. Then only the process of communication is successful, right? So what communication is? The process of sharing of ideas, thoughts, beliefs, opinions between two or more persons, such that the other person or the other group is able to understand what the intended message is, right? Hoine? Hetue communication hoy. Moi tumalko kiba eta bujai asu, tumalke jodi moi bisara bostu khini tumalke hothik mote buji paisa, then the communication is successful, hoine? Moi kiba kibi koi asu, tumalke eku buji poa nai. I am teaching in Assamese and you don't understand Assamese, then the communication process will not be successful. Bujisa? So it is a two-way process, right? And it comes from the word communis, Latin word communis. Communis shobdotur pra amar communication shobdotu bonua hoise. Ar communis shobdotur meaning tu hoise je common. Common ki? Common ideas, but common beliefs, common thoughts. Now let us look at the importance of communication. Importance ki hoy? Communication kyo dorkar hoy eta organization? Why? Because if the যদি communication to bhal nohoy, then there will always be a gap between the management and the worker class. Ar titia ki hobo grievances thakibo. Whether it is written, whether it is oral, things should be clear between both the parties, right? He karone amar communication to bahut dorkar. Hoy ne? Nohole ki hobo? Departments bahut bonai dilu. Nijor department at sobe dhuniya ke kaam kori ase. But the managers of one department, they do not communicate with the other department. Tita ki hobo? Effective no hobo. Hoy ne? Jimane bhal kaam no korok, but the organizational goals will not be achieved, right? So communication can be considered as a bridge between two or more people and between the structure of the organization and the employees and the employer. Bridge buli kobo pare. Duta parties or majot, right? Next, let us look at the process of communication. Communication process to kisuman steps thake. There are certain steps that are involved in the communication process. So what are those steps or the basic elements? So first is the communicator or the sender. The person who is trying to share his beliefs or ideas or thoughts, he is known as the communicator or the sender. Jijon manue kiba eta message pass koribo bisare, right? That is the first element. Second is the process of encoding. Encoding is the process which involves selection of the language. Moi eta Englishot kobo bisarisu ne Hindit kobo bisarisu ne Asomiyat kobo bisarisu. Kuntu medium moi use korisu. That is that medium, that language that I am using, that is falling under the category of your encoding. And it also involves the medium of expression in which the message will be sent, right? Like, ki medium hobo pare? So the medium of expression can be what? Kenukwa dhornor ami medium use koribo paru. I can show you something, no? Enage? Bujisa na etu ki hoy? Ki hoy etu? What am I doing? Etu ki? Bujisa tu? So buji paisa? Then the communication is successful. That medium of expression, it can be speaking, it can be writing, it can be signaling. Enage mane ki? Buzi paisa, no? So that medium of expression, that will fall under the category of your encoding. It will involve signaling. Signal disu je aha ba jua ba enake kiba ta gesture dekhaisu, no? Ba enake dekhaisu buji to paisa, no? So these will come under your encoding. Physical contact. I am giving you a handshake. I am hugging someone. So that also is a process of communication. When you hug someone when he is sad, then the other person whom you are hugging, how will he feel? He will feel care, right? So that these things are there in your encoding. Then the next is the message. Message ki hoy? Jitu ami kotha ami bujabo bisarisu. That is the message. Next is the medium. Medium is the carrier or the message that is actually sent by the person. It may be what? It may be through telephonic medium, or it can be through computer, it can be through television. Newsbur keneke ahe? Newsbur TV ta hai, mobile ta hai. So these are the various kinds of medium, right? Then tomar policy statements, production schedules, sales forecast, eburu ahibo medium or bhitor. Any kind of like document through which a message is sent can be considered as the medium. Tar pisot ahibo amar decoding. Decoding is the interpretation of the message by the ৰিচিভাৰটোৱে যিজনক আমি মেছেজটো দিছোঁ সেইজন মানুহক আমি যিজন মানুহক দিছোঁ সেইজনক আমি ৰিচিভাৰ বুলি কওঁ আৰু তেওঁ মেছেজটো সঠিকভাৱে বুজিছে নে নাই ডেট ইজ দ্য প্ৰচেছ অফ ডিকোডিং আৰু ডিকোডিং ডিপেণ্ডছ অন দ্য পাৰচেপশ্যন অৰ দ্য পাষ্ট এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ অফ দ্য পিপল কেন ইউ এক্সপ্লেইন দিছ থিং ইট ডিপেণ্ডছ অন দ্য পাৰচেপশ্যন পাষ্ট এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ এণ্ড এটিটিউড অফ দ্য ৰিচিভাৰ কিছুমান ল'ৰা ছোৱালীয়ে ট্ৰেইনিং দিয়ালে ভাল পাব পাৰে কিছুমানে বেয়া পাব পাৰে কিয় কিছুমানে ভাল পাব যে কিয় কিছুমানে ভাবিব যে আজি ট্ৰেইনিংটো কৰি ল'লে কালি পৰহি মোৰ জব এটা পাবলৈ সুবিধা হ'ব আৰু বেলেগে কি ভাবিব পাৰে ইছৰাম মইতো এনেই টাইমটো ৱেষ্ট কৰিছোঁ তাতকৈ মই ঘৰত বেলেগ এটা কাম কৰিব পাৰে তেনেকৈতো ভাবিব পাৰে চ' that depends on the perception what he thinks perception is the belief that a person holds about something ejon manhue bostu etar bikhoye keneke bhabe that is the process of perception mane eta mekuri etai suppose rasta tu katile karbar kisuman manhue ki koy bole isram aji mur din tu beya jabo kintu beleg ejon manhue to bhaibo normally gol aru gol hoy ne so আৰু যিটোৱে ভাবিছে যে মোৰ আজি দিনটো বেয়া গ'ল আৰু তাৰ দিনটো সঁচাকৈ কিবা কাৰণত বেয়া যদি যায় সিটো সদায় জীৱনভৰ মেকুৰীটো গ'লে একদম বেয়া চিম্বল বুলিয়ে ছুপাৰষ্টিচিয়াছ বিলিফটো সদায় ধৰি থ'ব হয়নে কিন্তু ইজন মানুহে কি বুলি ভাবিব এইটো গ'ল আৰু হয়নে চ' ইট ডিপেণ্ডছ অন দ্য এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ অফ দ্য পাৰ্চন right so next time jodi hi mekuri dekhibo boli bhoyate bahut khini precaution lobo hoy ne so that is the meaning of your interpretation of the message by the receiver right next receiver is the person to whom the message is intended after that comes the process of feedback kyo dorkari moi je hudhi thaku tumalke bujisane kyo hudu so that I can improve myself, right? Moi pohaute kisuman bhul hobo pare ba I need to use some other techniques which I might not be using now. But if you tell me, say, ma'am, eneke korale amar besi subidha hobo, then obviously in my next class I will try to adapt that way of teaching, right? In that way I will be improving, and also you will be what? You will be benefited, right? So that is why a feedback is required. Our organizations bure hodai feedback loy. Ajikal to sob bostute feedback loy hoy na to ami Amazon ba Flipkart ot jodi kiba ta bostu kinu tar bisor ekhon kiba khon dia na thake jano rating bisare why because they try to give us more service, right? Next, noise. What is noise? Etu jitu ei matro hentu disturb korile na oloman that sound so that is an example of your noise can be of different types and it may be due to poor network it can be because of the attention of the receiver moi kiba ta pohai asu tumalke ketia suti hobo bhabi asa then that is a kind of noise right and noise can also be the discomfort that I am feeling because of the suffocated environment, right? So all these things will be falling under the category of your noise. Bujisa? So monot thakimo na ki asle kwa? First step is the first ki asle sender or the communicator. Tar pisot encoding kar pisot message. Tar pisot medium. Then decoding. After that, কি কৈছা? Receiver pisot feedback and then noise. Next, let us look at the types of communication. Organizational communication kenekwa hobo pare? It can be of 3 types. Formal and informal. Formal communication is the communication which will follow a formal procedure, right? Jane information will always flow from the what? from the superior to the lower employees, right? Or it can be from the lowermost employers to the topmost executives, right? Or informal communication keneke hobo pare? The communication which flows in informal groups within the organization. Jene friend circle or mazot kiba eta khobor spread hoise je hunisa bole kailoi porokhi pura amar bole pay scale to borhai dibo, right? Next is the downward, upward and horizontal communication. Downward communication is the communication which flows from superior to the bottom level managers. Upward communication is the communication which flows from lowermost level to the topmost level, and horizontal or the lateral communication is the communication between managers or people from different departments who are in the same level, right? Our last two holge verbal and written communication. Verbal mane orally kwa, right? Communication which is spread through word of mouth, right? And written communication is through some written documents, right? Next, let us look at the barriers of communication. Barriers means hindrances or some distractions for effective communication. Filtering. Filter ami ki koro? What do we do? Ami the pani filter koro ki koro? When we use a filter to purify water ki koro? We try to segregate the pure water from the impure dirt or infiltrate or some sediments, right? So filtering is similar to that. In the process of filtering, the sender or the communicator, he will selectively give the message. Like at an organization, the manager, he likes some employees and dislikes some.
Oh, what is that? It is like you. গরম যেমন কপুরটা ঠান্ডা কি
So the first is the first barrier is the filtering. Filtering ot ki hoy jison sender thake teo kisuman selectively kisuman message die. Mane soboke nokoy. Jene kali eta promotioner exam patim. Okay? Within the organization, but ki ahibo, I gave some hints to only a specific group of candidates who will be giving the examination, not to all. Because I had some interior, some kiba more personal kiba benefits থাকিব পাৰে বা মোৰ কিবা interest থাকিব পাৰে কাবাক মই বেছিকৈ লাইক কৰিব পাৰো so that is an example of your filtering where the message is not passed to everyone but only to some people right বুজি পাইছা next is selective perception selective perception is a barrier to communication in which the receiver will only grasp that portion of the message in which he is interested. মই তোমালোকক কিবা কিবি কথা কৈ আছো কিন্তু তোমালোকে যিখিনি বস্তু শুনিব বিচাৰিছা অকল হেখিনিহে ভালকে ইন্টাৰেষ্টিংলি শুনিলা বাকিখিনি মই কি কৈ আছো তোমালোকে ধ্যান নাই দিয়া suppose I am teaching you about something about a topic which you like to study or which you have previously studied or in which you are taking interest. But the other things which you find it difficult, you are not paying attention. Then that is an example of your selective perception. Mane, jiman to tumalke hunibo bisara ba interest la okol himan kiniye tumalke loba. Baki khini tumalke dhyan nidia. So that is an example of your selective perception. Then language. Language can be a barrier because if I talk in German language, suppose, and you don't understand, then that can be a barrier. Semantic barrier. Semantic barrier is the barrier in which a word can carry different meanings. Right? Ek minute, huh? Silence tomorrow. Yeah, semantic barrier. I mean, English language ote saba tumalke je eta word or beleg meaning thake. Hoy ne? Jene, give me any example of a word which can have different meanings. Suppose I take the word make. I may make buli kole eta I will go home and make dinner. Mane? I will go home and prepare dinner, right? Then moi jodi tumalok hudu what make is your t-shirt tamne what is the brand or the company name of your t-shirt right ako make aru make I will make it to the dinner tonight tamne I will go to dinner tonight jitu dinner party ase moi tale jam hoy ne so this word make has got different meanings so beleg manhue beleg buzibo pare if I just give the word make or meaning to dia so tar mote beleg hobo tumar mote beleg hobo hoy na everyone will have different meanings according to their own understanding next is your emotions can play a very important barrier in communication because if I am talking about some topic like what? Jitule tumar bahut deep emotions ase. Jane, if I am talking about the topic of family, and if someone is there in this class who is an orphan, then he will have very much emotions going inside him, right? And in that case, he might not be able to concentrate, right? So emotions also play a very important role in communication. Next is information overload. Moi edinote jodi tumalok 3ta chapter ekeloge porhai diu. Lagile jiman bhalke porhao, will you be able to understand or grasp or remember everything? No. So information overload is excess of information. And in that case, the workers, if they are given too much of information, they will not be able to segregate between the important instructions and the less important instructions. Hoy ne? So, olop ke instructions dibo lage. Non-verbal cues. Cues are like the hints, non-verbal hints. Jane, mo porhai asu tumalke verbally eko koa nai kintu muk eneke kori dekhaisa. To ki hobo? Then that will be creating some distractions and that is a barrier. Then time pressures. Suppose tumalgor next month suppose exam ase and I am required to finish the syllabus. Bahut gita chapter baki ase no 4ta man baki ase so moi ki hobo moi bahut quickly skip কৰি কৰি পঢ়াব লাগিব কিছুমান বস্তু, and I will not be able to devote much time on the important topics. Might be, হয় না, হ'ব পাৰে, কাৰণ মই বেছি মোৰ syllabus টো পটাপট complete কৰিব লাগে. In that case, I am working under time pressure, right? So that will be a barrier. বুজি পাইছা? So these are the barriers. Semantic barrier, information overload, then noise, filtering, language, emotion, non-verbal clues, and time pressures, right? The rest of the things I'll cover in my next class. Thank you.